First you have to go in settings. In the settings in generals you don't need to have anything because already pre-default. Then in appearance, no need to do anything. In stream here you can do stream online on YouTube, Facebook, restream, Twitter, anywhere we want. By default keep switch. And then in output keep the value same. Video bitrate 2500, audio bitrate 128, and video encoder keep this value and same. And in recording case, this path where you can save, you can browse it, and then here select any file where you want to save it, and then select folder. Okay. After that, recording quality, in which quality you want to record your video. So I will prefer same as stream. Then recording format hybrid MP4. Then you can apply here. Then in case of audio you need to do something little bit more. In global audio device, just keep 3 default and rest of the disabled. And video option, you have to keep 16:9 in base resolution 1920 into 1080, output resolution 1280 into 720 in 16:9 ratio. And you have to keep common fps value 30, and down scale filter you have to keep by cubic. It is better than others. Here's so many options, but this one is better. After that, in hotkeys, here you can select any number, any name. So your recording will start from by pressing that number and stop by pressing that number, and pause also and unpause also. Then you can apply here. Then in case of accessibility, no need to do anything. In advanced, no need to do anything. Then you can apply here. After that, if you want to create more scene, then you can create scene here. Okay, so I don't want, so I am not selecting. From here you can create any display capture. If you want to keep display capture, so then you can click on it, and then click here also. And then after that you have to select this one. Then your videos will start recording, otherwise black screen will come. But I don't want, so I'm not recording. And if you want to record any other window capture, if you want to do window capture, you can click on it and then click OK. And then here first you have to keep windows background. You don't need to minimize it. If you will minimize that windows now, they won't come here, options won't come here. And then just keep behind the this app. And after that you can select from here and then click on it. After that, if you want to do video capture, you can just click on it, click and then click OK. Then video capturing start recording. And if you want to manage your audio, just here, if you want to keep your voice louder than your game voice in any other voice tools, so just you can increase this mic aux, keep on 100, and rest of the tools just keep 50-50, just lesser than our audio. And then you can apply. These all are basic functions, you have to remember this. For recording